The recipe I'll be showing you today is sausage Alfredo, but the first thing we're going to do is start by washing our hands. Our recipe calls for 14 ounces of smoked sausage cut into quarter-inch slices, 8 ounces of pasta cooked and drained, 2 cups of heavy cream, 2 teaspoons of Cajun seasoning, and a half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese. First, we'll start by reading the instructions on the pasta. It calls for 6 cups of boiling water. We'll put it on the highest setting to get it to boil. The sausage that it called for, they didn't have at the store, so I just got the smoked sausage that I usually get. Any smoked sausage will work, but you'll want to have a parent or guardian cut the sausage for you. Once the water's boiling, we can add the pasta. The instructions say it takes 8 to 10 minutes, so I set a timer for 9 minutes. We have to stir occasionally, about once every minute or so. We also want to start sauteing the sausage while the pasta is cooking. Once the pan is hot enough for the sausage, we can add that to it. And we put another timer on for about 5 minutes for the sausage. And we'll stir that occasionally so both sides cook. Once the pasta is done cooking, we can drain it in a strainer in the sink, and we'll put it to the side while we get the next step ready, which is to add the heavy cream. For those that are concerned, heavy cream and heavy whipping cream are the same thing, and the small cartons come in 1 pint, which is the same as 2 cups, which is how much we need in our recipe. Next, we need to add our seasoning, which is 2 teaspoons of Cajun seasoning. Mine comes in a bag because I get it in the bulk section. It's also good to clean up while you're cooking, that way there's less of a mess to do at the end. Once it's time, you can start simmering, and that just means to turn on to low heat for a couple minutes. After it's done simmering for a few minutes, we'll take it off the heat and add the grated Parmesan cheese. Then we'll stir it around, making the cheese all melt. And then it's time to add the pasta. Gotta stir the pasta in really well so it gets all coated in the sauce. and then you're done.